What are you weirdos doing? Yeah? Why are you being so weird? That's a silly question. Because you're cats. That's what cats do. Whoop! Hello! You're just chilling. Can't keep up. And you're just chilling. Thanks. No, please don't bother Paulo while he's pooping. Yeah? Yeah? What are you kids doing? Watch out, Genesis, you're gonna get squished. Oh, look at Ted. Background Ted. Ooh, stinky Apollo. You know what? I have an idea. Jessica. Huh?
Did they go potty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jessica, there is another one of those in the back by the washing machine.
Another what?
One of the green
Like
thing.
the green one?
Yeah, can you grab it?
Sure.
Thank you. Perfect. I don't have to do it myself. You're gonna go nuts. Watch out, Squeaks. Hi, what are you doing, creatures? You started that one, Squeaky. Don't dish what you can't take. Hey, Paulo, be nice. Perfect.
Did they poop?
Huh?
Did they poop?
Yes. Clean up your stinks. Why am I being attacked? I have been nothing but nice to you. And now you are violently attacking me. Oh my goodness. Violence never before seen. What are you weirdos doing? What's going on? Oh, what's that?
Oh, look.
Can you put it right next to the other one?
Oh, look.
Oh my goodness, what is
Are
this?
you seeing double?
Got two?
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 I think I'm seeing quadruple.
I'm seeing...
Isn't four quadruple?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see four
Ow,
cows.
okay, you...
Four cows. She's so little. She even has room.
I know, room to spare. Yes.
Room to spare.
Stick one of your siblings in there. Okay, you gotta stop chewing on me. That's kind of hurt. Starting to hurt. Oh my goodness. I can't encourage that, but you're being really cute. There. Like, no. I want fingers. I want blood. Right there. Oh, and now you chill out now that there's two of them? What's going on?
Poor Earl. I feel so sorry for him. I wish we had another room like Drew's or the main room that with no cats in it, a big catio, and put Earl in there.
Yeah,
Wouldn't that be great?
it would be. But everyone else would get jealous.
In the perfect world.
Ow.
This way he would have his catio.
Well, in the perfect world, he'd be at a home.
Yes, that's true. We just have to wait for the right one to come along. We can't be hasty. Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh, she's screaming for you.
She is screaming.
She's learned.
Hey! Hey! Am I creating a monster?
You are creating a monster because you're going to go over there right now and give her attention.
Hey, what?
You're not even in heat, Belladonna. You can't even go in heat anymore. You got snipped.
Are you hungry?
All of you got snipped. And you're never going to go into heat. No, you're lucky. Ow, ow. No, chew on this. Yeah, boo. What are you kids doing? Yeah? You got doubled? What if I grab one of your siblings and put them in? Huh? What if I do that? What if I do that? What if I do that? Okay. Hold on. Bop bop. Wee! What's the matter? Uh-oh. Squeaky, you gonna be nice to her? Oh my goodness, Spicy Scout! Spice! Maybe you should have been called Spice, not Scout. Oh, no, okay. No, Billy, that's okay. I get it. I understand. Apollo wants to fight Ted. Apollo wants to fight someone like 5 times his size. Yes, he wants to get flattened by Ted. Ted could eat you like a snack and still have room for seconds. Yes. What are you two doing? This little gaggle of cows. That'd be cool if you 3 could go together. But that's just wishful thinking. Woo, hello! Crashed right into me. Hello, sir. Whoop! Can't even keep up with you. Oh. You go play with the big boys? You're tough like them. You are. And you're very sharp and pointy. I think you can keep up with them. I think. Thanks. What are you gonna do about that? What are you gonna do about it? Yeah? Bunch of weirdos. Bunch of weirdos. Look at them weirdos being weirdos. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh no! Oh, Squeaky! Sabotage. Bunch of weirdos going nuts. Bunch of weirdos going nuts. So. Kids. Hi. Sylvie. Apollo. Hello, Cosmo. Oh my goodness, Violet Man. Oh my god, I'm getting attacked. What? Oh, you like that? Okay, good. Oh my goodness. Are you teething, sir? Is that my squeaks? No, it's my garlic bread. Just silky to be squeaky. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. So demanding. So demanding. Alright, garlic bread. Attacking the mouse. Scout is scouting it out. Genesis. Dennis's. What Nintendo Dennis's? And there's that Simon, I think. Simon's inspecting. And then that's no, Sylvie. Oh no! You told her. Sylvie in the back. Broccolini 2, aka Comet? Cosmo. Cosmo. And there's my boy Quindarius Quincy, questionable Quinton. So many babies. My goodness, look at all the babies. They're all having so much fun, just lounging around, being lazy butts. Lazy butts. You wanna go play? You wanna go play with the big kids? You're the smallest one. You don't look it. Hi. I wonder if I can do this. Hold on.